Hello everyone, I'm so glad you could join me today. Let's create something that's both practical and empowering, making your own herbal back pain balms at home. These are incredibly simple, effective, and made with natural ingredients. Whether you experience back pain from sitting too long, working out, or just the stresses of daily life, these balms can offer relief. And the best part, you'll know exactly what's going into them. Let's explore 2 recipes together, one for a cooling balm and one for a warming balm. We're going to start with recipe number 1, which is a cooling balm. This is perfect for relieving inflammation and soothing sore muscles. The cooling sensation also helps to numb the area slightly, providing immediate comfort. Here's what you will need. 1. Coconut oil, 2 tablespoons. This is our base ingredient. Coconut oil is moisturizing, absorbs well into the skin, and helps carry the active ingredients where they're needed most. 2. Beeswax, 1 tablespoon. Beeswax solidifies the balm and creates a protective barrier on the skin, locking in moisture and extending the effects of the active ingredients. 3. Essential oil blend. For this recipe, we'll use peppermint essential oil, 10 drops, for its cooling and analgesic properties, and eucalyptus essential oil, 5 to 10 drops, for its anti-inflammatory and muscle-relaxing effects. Now, let's make it together step by step. Step 1. Melt the base. You will want to start by melting the coconut oil and beeswax together. Use a double boiler if you have one. It's just a heat-proof bowl set over a pot of simmering water. This ensures gentle, even heating without burning the ingredients. Stir occasionally until the beeswax has completely melted into the coconut oil. Step 2. Add the essential oils. Once everything is melted, remove it from the heat. Now, quickly but carefully add your essential oils, 10 drops of peppermint and 5 to 10 drops of eucalyptus. Stir thoroughly to make sure the oils are evenly distributed. Step 3. Pour and set the mixture. Pour the mixture into a small glass jar or tin. Be sure to let it cool completely. It will harden into a balm as it cools. That's it. Your cooling back pain balm is ready to use. Lastly, to use it, you will want to scoop a small amount with clean fingers and massage it onto the affected area. Use this balm 2 to 3 times a day for the best results. Store it in a cool, dry place, and it should last for several months. Now to recipe number 2, which is a warming back pain balm. This is ideal for tight or stiff muscles, as the warmth promotes blood circulation and helps release tension. It's especially great for chronic aches or pain caused by cold weather. For this recipe, you'll need the following 3 ingredients. Number 1 is shea butter tablespoons. This is our base ingredient for this balm. Shea butter is rich, nourishing, and absorbs well into the skin. It also has natural anti-inflammatory properties. Number 2 is cayenne pepper powder, ½ teaspoon. Cayenne contains capsaicin, a compound known for its ability to block pain signals and create a warming sensation. This is the star ingredient for heat. Number 3 will be ginger essential oil, 10 drops. Ginger oil enhances the warming effect and adds anti-inflammatory benefits, making this balm both soothing and effective. Okay, let's do this step by step. First, you will need to melt the base. Just like with the cooling balm, we'll melt our base ingredient, in this case, shea butter. Use the same double boiler method to gently heat the shea butter until it's fully melted. Second, add cayenne powder. Once the shea butter is melted, stir in ½ teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder. Be sure to mix it thoroughly so it's evenly distributed throughout the balm. This is what gives the balm its warming power, so don't skip it. Third will be to add essential oils. Remove the mixture from the heat and let it cool slightly before adding the ginger essential oil. You'll need about 10 drops. Stir well to ensure the oil is evenly mixed in. Fourth step is to pour the mixture into a clean jar or tin and let it cool completely. It will solidify as it sets, just like the cooling balm. Finally, to use, apply a small amount to the affected area and gently massage it in. The balm will create a warm sensation as it gets to work. A quick note, avoid using this on broken or sensitive skin, as the cayenne can cause irritation. And as always, wash your hands thoroughly after applying to avoid accidentally touching your eyes or face. And now for a few tips on customizing your balms. Here are a few ideas. You can add a few drops of lavender essential oil to either balm for added relaxation. For extra anti-inflammatory power, try adding turmeric essential oil to the warming balm. If you prefer a softer balm, reduce the amount of beeswax slightly in the cooling balm, or add a little more shea butter to the warming balm. Feel free to experiment and make these recipes your own. And there you have it, 2 simple, natural balms that you can make right at home to ease back pain. These recipes are a wonderful way to take care of your body using natural ingredients, and they're so easy to make. Whether you need cooling relief or warming comfort, these balms have got you covered. I hope you'll give these recipes a try and let me know how they work for you. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural remedies and tips. Remember, embrace the power of nature for a healthier, happier you. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or a qualified TCM, traditional Chinese medicine practitioner, before starting any herbal treatments. Thank you for watching.